Layer Control. Click the lock icon in the upper right corner of the layer to lock or unlock the current layer. Click the snowflake icon to freeze or unfreeze the current layer. When different layers are overlapped, you can select one of the layers to set the priority. The functions of the 4 buttons are Move Up, Move Down, Top, and Bottom. Through the layout, you can quickly add multiple layers to cover the entire screen according to the template style. Currently, 3 templates are supported: 2x2, 3x3, and 4x4.
Layer Flip. Through Layer Flip, you can adjust the layer to display special effects. Select left and right flip, and the output image is horizontally flipped. Select up and down flip, and the output image is vertically flipped. Select up, down, left, and right flip, and the output image is flipped horizontally and vertically.